Here are the updates from March 12 to 2021. Clubhouse has improved sharing a link to your profile and share a link to your Clubhouse. Now you can grab a link to your Clubhouse profile so that people off Clubhouse can find and follow you. And here is how it works. Just tap the new share icon on your profile, and then the sharing options will show up. So if you copy the link, and when someone searches you off Clubhouse, they will see the Clubhouse website, the domain, your profile, your bio, and the link so they can join Clubhouse app. Clubhouse has also fixed language filtering. If you saw on your Clubhouse homepage some rooms that were in languages that you don't understand, now the app is fixing it so you won't see those anymore. Another update is how nominations work. So nominations will come from clubs instead of users. Now when you invite someone off Clubhouse to join your club, the nomination badge will display the name of your club rather than the name of the person.